Seeing me with kerchief, many people are asking, why are you crying? I am not crying. I got cold. I got running nose. Okay. Fun apart. Today we are going to discuss how this cold, cough and fever is affecting in this winter season. This climate is changing. Our body used to get affected by the virus. And that virus is turning into cough, cold and fever. First of all, I want to discuss you the root cause. How our body is getting all this cold, cough and fever in this season. First thing, whenever a virus is attacking, it will attack through our nose. First target is nose. And our body will give symptoms like sneezing, continuous sneezing, headache, itchy nose, like that will give. Then if you are alert, you can take a steam, light steam, vapor you can take, so that it will help to dissolve those virus there. But if you have skipped that, I have done that. So let's get started. Whenever virus in this winter season or whenever there is change in season, second target is it will go down to the throat. This throat area will get affected. Change in tone or sore throat, itchy throat, all these symptoms we will experience. Our body then also reacting, saying alert, alert. Then we have to take at least warm water, steam at that time, warm water at least 4 to 5 times. Today I have taken 4 to 5 times hot water, taking 1 time tulsi. Care here, the virus will be killed. Otherwise, it will get entered into our lungs. Here the problem starts. It will turn into phlegm, and which is very difficult to get rid of. That's why many people get rid of this. This phlegm is in the nature of kapha prakriti. Kapha prakriti means, as per Ayurveda, it has the nature of settle down, like the soil. It will settle down. So we have to we have to exercise more, doing pranayamas, like that will help to avoid that phlegm. Taking hot water. This stage it will become difficult. So that's why care has to be taken at this. As we all know, we have studied in science also. Whenever a foreign object or a foreign microorganism attacks us, whenever a foreign body attacks us, our body reacts and want to fight it and kill it, so that it want to protect us. So getting fever is okay. It's for our best. And whenever fever is high, means it is the state where our entire body focus is on killing that virus. At that time, digestive fire will be slow. Means our digestion fire will be slow. So we have to take light foods, liquids. Warm foods we have to take. Try to avoid raw foods and try to take warm foods, hot foods, and light meals per meal. Per meal take light meals. Give some gap so that it will easily digest, because our body entirely focusing on killing that virus. So taking tablets is not the cure, because it will only manage the symptoms. Our body only has to pick up and gear it up to kill all those viruses. Okay? Taking antibiotics is only a temporary relief. What is the permanent relief is killing the root cause. Add ginger, add lemon, so that digestive fire will be boosted up. Okay? Thank you.